Authorities are investigating a dancing group, which could have been the source of an untraceable case detected yesterday. This came as the city recorded 34 imported cases. Johanna Chan reports.
Several locally transmitted COVID cases today hinted at signs of a new cluster, with a 28-year-old Cathay Pacific flight attendant at its center. Her 62-year-old mother danced regularly in the morning with 20 friends near a fountain in Victoria Park. 3 people who exercised with or near her tested positive or preliminary positive so far. Health authorities said the flight attendant carried a similar strain as that of a surveyor from Tuen Mun, Hong Kong's first untraceable case in 3 months. The man works in North Point and travels by bus in the morning.
The first link is the Victoria Park that he has walked through the Victoria Park in the morning when he was going to work. And the distance is quite far away from the groups of ladies who are dancing at that time.
But it was found that the man had visited the same restaurant at the same time as the flight attendant's mother and a preliminary positive case. Also linked to the cluster is a 43-year-old Indonesian domestic helper who tested preliminary positive. Her employer had been visited by the flight attendant's mother. During incubation, the helper visited her church and had eaten with other worshippers.
I think that any mass of activities, especially meals and sharing food, they are usually at a higher risk. So the church attendees are considered as at high risk.
Meanwhile, Moon Palace saw another preliminary positive case, a woman who sat near a construction worker who was infected. A 13-year-old girl who also ate at the Kowloon Tong restaurant and tested preliminary positive yesterday was confirmed today. The Moon Palace cluster now stands at 8. There were also 34 imported cases, mainly from the Philippines, the United States, and Britain. Johanna Chan, HKIBC.